Tobago is not a soft target for Easter, so says Senior Superintendent Garfield Moore. During an interview with Mr. Moore, he said the police officers on the island will be out in full force for the Easter period, installing a number of initiatives to keep the public safe. Superintendent Moore cautioned those who may have intentions of committing unlawful acts, warning that no criminal activities will be tolerated.
Visitors and residents of Tobago can rest assured that during this Easter season, the police will be out and about in their numbers in every village in Tobago. An increase in the number of mobile patrol units and roadblock exercises beginning tomorrow will add to the zero tolerance policy initiative that will be undertaken by the officers. Senior Superintendent of Police in Tobago, Garfield Moore, gave the assurance to the people of Tobago that all will be done to ensure their safety over the period.
We have officers out there, they will be aggressive. There will be a zero tolerance in terms of the way how they do policing. They will be. We also ask them to be polite, our officers, because notwithstanding we might be aggressive, we still need to have that politeness and that that customer service relationship with the public out there. So notwithstanding that, we hope that the public will tolerate us and in terms of bear with us when we have roadblocks on the road. Yes, there will be some inconvenience, but the inconvenience will only be for the benefit of all of us.
Being aware that a number of vehicles come up from Trinidad for the Easter activities in Tobago, Senior Superintendent Moore announced that a highway patrol will be installed. He said this period of the year is known for the prevalence of drag racing and sent a signal to those who are intent in partaking in this activity.
We are not going to tolerate any drag racing on the road because it's dangerous and it will cause death death to persons who are using the roadway. And Tobago has no place for drag racing on the road.
Senior Superintendent Moore added that the many security cameras that are on the island will be monitored 24/7, assisting them in their crime-fighting plans. He continued that the police will be supported by the Defence Force. He said they do have a good working relationship and this will not change, as they both have the same agenda, which is ensuring that there is safety and security on the island. Kimberly Job, Channel 5 News.